Do you want to know the best time to post on Instagram? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you the best time to post according to the latest research to get the most likes, comments, and exposure. So keep watching. On this channel, I teach entrepreneurs how to get more leads and sales using social media. So if you want more videos like that, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you're always notified of my latest training. So last year, most social media marketing coaches and trainers said that around 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. was shown to be the best time to post on Instagram. Now, recently, it's been thought of as 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Around lunchtime is the best time to post on Instagram. But what you have to understand is it really comes down to a few key things that I'm going to be walking you through in this video on how you can actually find the best time to post on Instagram for you and your audience. Now, one of the first things you have to understand is you have to look at what type of following are you building on Instagram. So for example, if you're building a following of people that are maybe younger, maybe from 16 to 21, then you can get away with posting later on Instagram. You can post as late as 11 p.m. and still get tons of engagement. But if you're targeting maybe an older demographic, okay, type of people that maybe go to bed earlier, wake up earlier, to go to work, then you may want to post earlier in the evening rather than later, so there's definitely a little bit of, you have to look at what type of following, but I'm going to give you a general guideline right now. The reason you want to post when the most people are on Instagram is because if you can post when most people are on there, you're going to be able to increase the amount of likes, comments, and exposure that you get. Now, what you have to realize is Instagram is actually going to show posts higher in the feed and on the explore page that get tons of likes and comments. The more engagement a picture or a video gets, the higher it tends to rank. Now, not only that though, a lot of people don't realize in this new Instagram algorithm, it not only rewards the images with the most engagement, but the fastest engagement. So how fast can you get comments and likes once you post that on your Instagram? And what you have to realize is that if you post at the best time, you can quickly start getting engagement and they get shown higher to get more followers. Now I'm gonna have a card pop up on the video where I actually walk you through more information on the Instagram algorithm and exactly how it works. So if you're interested in that, click that card. But in this video, I'm gonna share with you 3 best times that you can shoot for when you wanna post on Instagram. Now, the first best time I recommend is between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. Now, because most of my followers are in the United States and Canada area, according to analytics, I'm going to share that in the United States time. But, again, think about where your followers are from and go for the time that's most for them. Now, this time is typically the time before people go to work, before they go to school. So if you send that and they're awake, and they're checking their phone, chances are you're going to get your message in front of them. The next time is between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. Okay, this is lunchtime. Now, lunchtime, again, think about it. People are off work. They're on break, they're looking at their phone. And again, if you post at that time, you can get a good chance to get seen. Now, the last best time is between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. for most people. This is going to be when people are off work, they're at home, they're kind of bored, maybe they got off from school and they're kind of looking at their phone, and you're going to get a good chance to get a lot of people to see your post. Now, the last thing you can do to really fine tune for your own following when the best time to post is that if you have a business account on Instagram, you can actually go up to the top and open up insights, and then you can actually start to scroll through these insights. These insights is what Instagram is giving you information on, the best time of day to actually post. When you look at this, you can see that for your own personal account, when are your followers most on, when do they respond best, and you can just post more in those times. When you start to do that, you're gonna notice that your engagement's gonna increase, you're gonna rank higher in the newsfeed, and you're gonna be able to really expand your exposure and get more followers. Now, if you don't know how to convert your personal account into a business account, just go ahead and click the card that popped up now. I got a video walking you through how to do it in a couple minutes very quickly and easily. So go ahead and check that out now. All right, my friend, now you know some of the best times to post on Instagram, but how exactly do you start posting and turning those followers into leads and sales for a business? Well, be sure to grab my free Instagram training video series down below or head to GarrettGetsResults/ Instagram. On that training, I'm going to get into exactly how you can start generating over 50 leads a day very, very quickly. All right, my friend, if you like this video, be sure to click the like button below, share it with your friends, any business partners, and be sure to subscribe. Also, last but not least, comment below, what do you want help with next? What question do you want me to answer for you? And I'll be sure to do a video on that. Anyway, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.